So here we have a patient who we've posted for eyebrow transplant. So if you see that his hair in both the eyebrows, in the front part and also over here, it's quite sparse. This he gives a history of a road traffic accident. That's a bike accident 1 year back, and he sustained this injury. That is a scar. So scar revision surgery was done with us previously, and now we've planned for him for a eyebrow transplant, where we'll take the hair from the occipital part of his head and then transplant it in the eyebrows.
Because I'm going to in this area, see here like this, and there another place.
Till here, I guess. Original eyebrow was till here.
Yeah, okay, from here, yeah, from this area, from here to here like this.
Yeah.
And here the same, this only this area, no?
No. Here, this area got damaged. There is a scar, right?
Okay. This take?
This middle one got damaged.
This area, the here, yeah.
Yeah.
This one. Then near.
Weight na 20. 20. Flexometer. Hello. Jelly. Jelly. Cuff sensor. He'll connect it.
Put it maximum density. Once after growing only you will come to know. Okay.
Okay.
It's fine now. Quite good. Do not wrinkle or wrinkle this eyebrows. Keep it like this only.
Okay.
If you make it like the crop will come out. Because very soft. We made only the single follicles only. Because according to the eyebrows follicles, we have to place only the single follicles. Okay. So Once out of the window, it will come naturally because you made maximum single one. Because all the fibers are sitting on it. Okay. It's fine now? Okay.